stopping by. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Hi, I am Keerthi. Welcome to the case study. So for today's video, I am going to make some really easy oatmeal breakfast, like chocolate oats. Like who doesn't love chocolate? And this quarantine, I was craving for chocolate. So I was like, okay, let's make some chocolate oats, and I'm going to take you through the process so that you will get to know. And it is trust me, it is the easiest process I have ever done. Of course, why not? Keerthi is making it, and tap the mic. It is very easy. Like it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to actually like put everything down. So I'm going to take you through the process so that you get to know and make for yourself. So that's it for the video. Like, trust me, chocolate oats are so yummy, and I just had my breakfast and it is so filling, so yummy. Foods can be tasty too. Like if you think, like I used to think like healthy foods are never tasty, but now I got to know that healthy foods are tasty, right? Yes. So with that being said, let's just end this video vlog, cooking vlog. Okay, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more such vlogs or like some good amazing content. And yeah, there's some amazing content coming your way, so do please make sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please like this video if you like this process. Like it just took like 2 minutes, like even faster than Maggie. Of course, oats are of course healthy. Like for all of you who are like getting back from oats because you don't like the taste, try this. I hope you really enjoy. And like this video, comment down below what sort of vlogs or what sort of videos you would like to watch on this channel, and or if you have made this chocolate oats and how did it actually taste. And what else? Yeah, that's about this video. I'm gonna conclude it here. So I'm gonna meet you next Thursday. Until then, bye.